So you might be trying to figure out how you can ping your AirPod case. So let's say you have a pair of AirPods. They have to be kind of like one of the newer pair of AirPods, to be honest, if you want to ping them. Like if you have the AirPods Pro 2s, there are speakers built in on the side, which is awesome. However, you can still, I think, play a sound from your AirPods, whether like these ones or whatever. So what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and find your Find My application on your iPhone. So what you can do here is you can just scroll down. You can just type in Find My. So in this case, I just typed in Find My, and you can go and open up your Find My app. Now when you do that, you'll come into this panel, and all you're going to want to do is click on Devices at the bottom, and then you will see this little panel come up. Now what you want to do is you want to find your AirPods. There's probably only one pair of AirPods sitting around here, so find your pair of AirPods that you want to go ahead and ping, and go and click on it. Now when you do that, you'll go and come into a panel that looks something like this. Now all you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and find that little panel or that little button that allows you to play a sound. So you can see right here I have this little like play sound option. All you're going to want to do is go and click on that little play sound option. So if I go ahead and do it, I'll start to be able to hear a little pinging sound coming from my AirPods. And if you listen closely, you can kind of hear it. If I bring my AirPods closer to my thing, you can hear it. So that's really all you're going to have to do now. So now you can go and find your AirPods wherever they are. And if you're done, you can just click stop. And that's pretty much all you're going to have to do. So if you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.